what's going on? I'm gonna do a vlog style video today, and today I'm on my way to Pennsylvania to go pick up a body kit for my car. It's a Votex kit, and it's gonna be going on my Volkswagen GLI, and it's about 4.5 hours away, so I'll take you along for the ride. I think I'm gonna be stopping in New York and stuff to explore. I've never been to New York City, so it should be a good time. I'll just keep you guys updated on the drive, and I'm excited to get this body kit. I'm about 45 minutes into the drive right now. I'm in Rhode Island, almost Connecticut, so I'm making pretty good time. I got 3 hours and 45 minutes left, about 250 miles, which isn't terrible, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so now we're in Connecticut, so we're making progress. I mean, the drive honestly hasn't been bad. I am doing it solo, so I've just been listening to music and just driving. Luckily, I haven't hit any traffic yet. I'm about to hit New York in about 20-30 minutes, so hopefully I don't hit any traffic there, because that would absolutely suck. But I think I'm like 2.5 hours early to the meetup time, so I think I'm gonna like hang around New York. I've never been to New York City, so I really want to go walk around. I've always wanted to try New York pizza too, so today might be the day I try New York pizza. Hopefully it's as good as everyone says it is. I don't know, but yeah, the drive hasn't been too bad. I got 3 hours to go, and all right, so I just made it into New York. I'm about 15 minutes away from Manhattan, and in person it's actually wild. Like, the buildings are so big, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, unless you've been to New York, I couldn't explain it. I've never been to a city this crazy. But yeah, I'm about to go to Manhattan for the first time. I'm wicked excited. Gonna try and find a good pizza place. So I don't know, I'll take you guys around with me. We'll go explore for like an hour or so and get to enjoy the city. All right, so I just made it to New York, and holy shit, this city's insane. It's crazy how big these buildings are. I'm in Manhattan right now, and like, oh my God. Here, let me show you. Got some skaters. So right now I'm walking to this place called Famous Calabaria Pizza in Manhattan, and I'm pretty excited to try it. I'm coming up to it right now. The city's literally wild. Like, look. It's crazy. Finally got to try New York pizza for the first time. I'll open it up in a second. I'm just waiting until I get back in the car to take all this down. So I just left that pizza place, and I got a slice of cheese and a slice of buffalo chicken. The cheese was all right. It wasn't really like the craziest thing in the world, but the buffalo chicken is so good. Like, I honestly might go get another slice, but it's way too cold, and I don't even know if I want to walk. But yeah, this pizza is wicked good, and it was a lot cheaper than I expected. I thought since I was in the middle of the city, I'd get charged an arm and a leg, but it wasn't bad. It's good pizza. And after this, I will be going to Pennsylvania to go pick up the rest of the body kit, and then make my way back home. All right, so I'm about 20 minutes away from meeting up with Chris to go pick up the new bumpers for my car. And yeah, this drive, it's been a long drive. It's been a long adventure, but I'm excited. It's almost over, and then I just gotta make the drive back, which I'm not really looking forward to it, but at least I'll have the bumpers with me. And yeah, so hopefully everything goes good. 20 more minutes isn't too bad, and I'll have the bumpers. All right, so I finally made it to Pennsylvania. I just picked up the bumpers. I don't know if you can really see them or not, probably not, but there's a Wawa over there. It's like right over here. So once I get there, I think I'm gonna grab some lemonade, gonna grab a snack or something for the road back, and then I'll try to get some videos of the bumpers in the car so you guys can get an idea of what they kind of look like. So we just stopped at Wawa. We got the lemonades, the package is secure. So I just got to Wawa, and obviously, you know, we have to get the lemonades, got a whole bunch of them. We're gonna get gas now, and then after I get gas, I think I'm gonna have some Waffle House for dinner because I love that place, and I haven't had it in forever because we don't have it up in Massachusetts, which really sucks, but it's nice when I come down here a little bit because since I don't have it that often, it's a lot better when you have it like less often because you're not used to it. But right now we're getting gas, and yeah, here, I'll see if I can show you guys the kit. It's kind of packaged up in the car. So basically it's a rear bumper, and then I got the front bumper. It's right there. Once I get home, I'll show you guys a better look of it, but we got the kit, which is awesome. All right, so I finally made it to Waffle House, and I'm very excited. So I'm gonna get some Waffle House, I'm gonna eat some food, and then I'm gonna start the trek back home. And then I'm probably not gonna film anything on the way home, unless it's like crazy or something cool. But once I get back home and unload the bumpers, well, the body kit, if you would say, I'll take a couple videos of it, show you guys exactly what I got, and I think that should be good. This is my first YouTube video, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just like trying to make it entertaining. I don't want to make it boring, but I don't know. It's pretty fun so far. This was a cool trip. Everything went very smooth. The drive was good. I had no issues. Since I took my mom's car, it's a brand new car. It only has 6,500 miles on it, so I had no issues. Just cruised the whole way. And all right, so I wanted to share why I love Waffle House so much, and I think after I show you this next clip, you'll get an idea of why. Like, this place is just so sick. I love it. So I just got finished eating Waffle House. I'm on my way home now. I got 4.5 hours to go, and then yeah. Next time you see me, I'll be at my house, and I can show you guys the body kit under some light so you can get an understanding of what I got exactly. And yeah, this was my first YouTube video, like with a vlog style, so I think I'm gonna be doing a couple of these. Not really a couple, but I think I'm gonna start doing them more often and trying to get better at them, and hopefully people like them. I don't know, it's fun to make. I had a good time making it. I had a good trip, wasn't too bad. But either way, I'll see you guys when I get home. All right, so I just got home, and as you can see, I'm exhausted. It's freezing out. It's like 15 degrees outside, but let me show you the kit I just got. So it's the Votex Kit. It's genuine Volkswagen, and I'm absolutely in love with this. So here's the car in the current state right now. Currently I'm doing a full suspension refresh on it. All new bushings, new control arm, new subframe, brand new brakes all around, brand new wheel bearings all around, stainless steel brake lines, and some engine maintenance, along with some camber stuff to fit my wheels. But I'm beyond excited on this body kit. It's gonna change the car completely. Like, here's the bumper, obviously. And that's what the rear looks like right now. So it's a little bit different, but it's different than what everybody else is doing with these cars because everybody usually has the same stuff on them. So it'll be a nice change. Super cool. So one thing too I forgot to mention is obviously these are blue and my car is gray. So paint is a little bit expensive, and I'm honestly running out of funds because of all the stuff I'm doing in my car before the season starts. So I think I'm gonna hold off on paint for now, and I think I'm gonna wrap the car. I don't know what color yet. I still gotta decide, but I think I'm gonna do like a blue, maybe red, maybe like a cream. I don't know. I'm not sure. I still gotta think about that, but super excited on these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully
many more to come. If you have any ideas for a color, let me know, drop it in the comments, and everybody have a good night. Thank you.